Our second video on expected counts versus observed counts is for a two-way table. And my two-way table is a little bit funky, but here it is. Let's say we decide to survey Cuesta students and find out how many are still attending their distance ed classes. So yes is attending distance ed, no's they're no longer doing work. And we're also looking at their social emotional well-being. So are they happy or are they sad? Okay, so let's say we had 35 people that are still going to school and happy. 24 people that are still going to school and are sad. We've got 11 people that are happy and not going to school. And we've got 68 that are not going to school and are sad. All right, so we've got this data and we're basically wondering, is there a connection between basically your social emotional well-being and whether you are still attending school? Okay. So the first thing we have to figure out is, do these numbers look normal? I mean, I've never done this study before. How do I know if they look normal? So the very first thing we're going to do is, for a two-way table, we're going to go ahead and find some totals. So here, this total is 46. This total is, I believe, 92. And then when I add these two together, I'm going to have a grand total of 138 students that were asked. Okay, remember for two-way tables, we're also going to add to the side as well. So here would be 35 plus 24 is 59. And then I should have, I believe, 79. All right, excellent. Okay, so here is what's going to happen. We want to know if these are basically distributed typically. Okay, well, the first thing I need to figure out is how many people are still going to school. So how many are still yeses going to school out of the total? So if I take 59 and divide it by 138 to turn it into a percent, okay, and I gotta grab my calculator. All right, so if I take 59 and divide it by 138, you're gonna see that I get 0.43. So basically 43% are saying yes. So this is representing 43%. Okay. Well, if 43% are saying yes, then guess what? 57% must be saying no, because we are only asking them yes or no. Okay, so this has got a total of 100. All right, so that's my first part, is figuring out what percent overall said yes. So the yes column. And what overall said no. So the no column. Okay, now, if this was typical, what should happen is that 43% of all those that are sad, 43% of all those that are sad is what should live here. And 50% of all those that are sad is what should live here. Because we're saying that if things are normal, I should have 43% of all my responses be in this box, and then 57% of all my responses be in this box. So what we're going to do is we're going to take 92, we're going to times it by 0.43, and then I'm going to take 92 and times it by 0.68. These are what I should expect. So these are my expected counts for a two-way table. So if I do this, I'm going to get 39.456. Let's go ahead and just call that 39.6. Okay. And then here I will have 92 times, oh, sorry, I wrote the wrong number, times 57%. Okay. And, oh, that's what I did, sorry. And I get 52.4. Okay. Those percents of 43 and 57 are 43% and 57%. So, if nothing was going on here, we'd expect approximately 40 sad people to still be in school and about 52 sad people to still be in school. Okay. We're going to do the same thing over here for this group. So this group is 46, so I'd expect 43% of the 46 to be in this group, and I'd expect 57% of 46 to be in this group. All right, so let's go ahead and figure out what those numbers are as well. Okay, I have, it looks like 19.8, and when I do the next one, I'm going to get 26.2. Okay. What this does for me when I go through this percent yes, percent no, and figure out these values is it's telling me what I should expect If we equally distributed the yeses, if we equally distributed the nos, these are the numbers we'd see. So do we think something's going on here? Is 68 close to this number? Is 11 close to this number, right? Are these numbers close enough to be considered typical, or is something weird going on? Okay, in order to determine if something weird's going on, that's going to be our actual hypothesis test. So that will be our next video.